It is the 28th of November, 2019. This is WIKISPEED Stand-Up. Go ahead, Lauren.
Hey, it's Lauren Salter, Gabriel Island, British Columbia, Canada, and past week corresponded with Joe a bit, discussed the LRW applications and Elon Musk's new truck. And I did spend 45 minutes or more, I think about 45 minutes on the charitable status report. Managed in PDF to erase my work. The Windows was going slow, and so I thought I saved it, and I closed it, and so it looks like I lost a bit of work, but it didn't take long. It was just one number repeated because there was not much income. It was an income tax return, a no tax return. I'm getting a lot of scraping. Is that me?
Maybe, I don't know.
Yeah.
Give me a second. I'll try mute.
Okay.
Okay. When I flip to the right screen, I'll hit mute.
Okay. Okay. No, I don't hear it now. Can you hear me?
No, that wasn't it. Don't.
Can you hear me?
I can still hear you.
Okay.
I just
and
can't.
There's no scraping. Okay. But I looked at it, and there's two things to fill in: a null return and a report on activities and board of directors and things. So the tax thing, it didn't take long. Well, I still have to do 5 years back. So 4 years back. So I'll copy that from probably the original application. And then I'll be ready to go. Yeah. Anyways, I'll get that done and send it in, or rather send it for review. And coming week, I guess I'll carry on with that. I really want to, what I put down for myself was I want to do some Python and do the check the spreadsheet against my little rock crawler, and probably catch up on your stuff. So actually then the next would be to take your Python and hook up the little red wagon and try it. Not little red wagon, the buggy, the rock crawler. So that's kind of it. And so I have some questions for crosstalk, and also some notes about other people getting. I know someone now who has a Pi 4B that he's playing with. So that'll be for crosstalk. Blocks, actually, lots. Well, I still got them, but they're falling away. My own health is back to normal. So anyway, that's it for me.
Okay, it is Michael Olchuk, Saskatoon, Canada. This past week, not much to show. I posted the stand-up, and we had a little bit of a discussion about the future of the Little Red Wagon project. If we are successful, how it could be beneficial to others. That's pretty much it. Blocks are time. Next week, I would like to get a whole bunch of stuff done, but I've actually scaled my points back to 1.5 because that's about all I think I'm going to be able to get done. I'm still having to do a bunch of training. So that's about it for me. Back to you, Lauren.
tell you, I remember working for a corporation and getting those things that I'm in the middle of something and I get a thing. You have so many hours of training to do before such and such a date, and you have to drop everything and do the training. So I remember that. Anyway, I'm going to give. Actually, I'm going to go with 7 for me and 10 for the team because of the interactions we had and actually all the discussions. And then, in fact, yeah, I'm pretty happy with kind of the back and forth. I think it was great. So I'm going with that. And process improvement, build on kind of what we've kind of discussed this week between you and me and Joe. That would be my process improvement. That's it.
Okay, I finally got unmuted. I am going to give myself maybe a 6. And the team, we are doing a lot better. So how about an 8? Room for improvement, but it's definitely better than last week. Process improvement, sure. Building on what we've been talking about last week, that's good with me. And I think we're done. Or do we have to vote on the process improvement?
I don't think so. I think it's a acclamation.
Okay.
Okay,
so you want to record crosstalk, or you want to?
No, I think I'll end it. I think we're still in the kind of. Yeah, I would rather end it.
Okay, I just gotta walk downstairs to my laptop. Give me a sec. Let's see.
That's the beauty of the stand-up. It can be very short.
Yep. Here we go. We're done.
Okay.
Oh no, I don't want to end the meeting. I want to stop recording, silly boy. How come that didn't work?